So here we have our 964 and 993 AC kit. This will always come in this one big box, just like this. So inside you will find 7 smaller boxes. So we have a hose box, we have a bare condenser box, we have a condenser and a fan, a compressor box, bracket box, the wiring and ECU box, and the fittings and dryer. When buying this kit, you have the option of adding our high performance evaporator. If you go for that option, we usually slide that in with the bare condenser, so you'll find that unit in this box. Our 964 993 kit comes with 2 condensers. One of those condensers is a bare condenser, so you'll receive just a simple condenser like that. This is the condenser we slide in behind the oil cooler. You'll find your fan and shroud unit and your condenser. So your compressor box just contains the electric compressor. There are no other components included in there. So let's have a look at the bracket box, which we'll use to mount this. Here we have the wiring and ECU pack. In here we have all your necessary wiring looms. This includes temperature sensors, the ECU connectors, condenser fan relay, the button loom and a USB cable. Here we have your compressor ECU. This sits on top of the unit. You also have your contact relay, your condenser fan relay, and a few other accessories to complete the installation. Here we have the compressor bracket box. Inside the bracket box you'll find parts for mounting the condenser, which are these parts, and this is the top cover for the condenser. Here's the compressor mounting bracket. You've also got bolts and fixings for all those parts and a battery cable. Here we have your hose box. Pretty simple. All we have in here is your hose. Although our kit works with the standard evaporator, you can opt to go for a high performance evaporator. This is a modern parallel flow unit. It comes with 3D printed brackets which slide straight into the 964 and 993 suitcase. It also comes with this 3D printed fascia which ties it in nicely with the suitcase and also allows you to remove the expansion block if you need to change this item. Here we have the fittings and dryer box. In here you have your dryer and your fittings pack. In here you'll find all the fittings and clips you need to complete the AC system.